y'all. Today I'm inside and I'm working on a new floral arrangement utilizing my new pitcher, which you can see right back there, that I got from the recent vintage market in McKinney. I'm very excited to work with it. Today's design is going to be a hand-tied design. I'm going to be designing the whole bouquet in my left hand, and then I'm going to tie it off and drop it into the vase. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you drop me a comment below. Do you love to design in vintage or antique vases? It's one of my favorite things to do. If I could, I would just have wall-to-wall space to display vases. Okay, we're gonna work with a wide variety of stuff today. This is lemon balm. I cut all of these yesterday and then I put them in water and I give them time to just soak up the water. It also allows me time to find areas that didn't do as well. Like this stem didn't do very well. So I know that I don't want to use that in my arrangement. But allowing it like a 24-hour soak shows you the difference between something like this and something like this that doesn't look as great. So that works really well to do that. We also have dark purple bachelor's buttons. I have Canterbury bells, white Canterbury bells, which I'm loving. I also have some straw flower, some apricot and mauve colored status. I have over here, I have, oh, look at that, some Dara, absolutely beautiful, like that one. This one's so pretty. I have some cherry caramel phlox. This is another variety of phlox. I apologize, I don't know the name of it. And then I have this purple flower growing in my yard. I'm not sure what it is. So if you guys know what it is, let me know. I planted it like 4 years ago. I don't love it because it only produces one round of stems and they all kind of lay so close to the ground. But if you know what that variety is, totally let me know. But anyway, I'm gonna do a big, beautiful kind of wildflower-esque bouquet of flowers that's gonna go in this gorgeous salt glaze vase. It has a bow inside on the front. It is vintage. It's part of my collection. I have multiple ones. Got one there, there, and there. But I recently picked up this one because of the unique size. So just a big, beautiful, happy bouquet, kind of a wildflower look. So let's get started.